welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to make your very own black African soap shampoo for your natural hair. This will leave your hair feeling super clean and your scalp free. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. My black castor oil, peppermint oil, avocado oil, lavender oil, peppermint oil, olive oil, another avocado oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, and this is a Haitian oil, then a funnel, then black African soap. So here's me grabbing a bowl, and I want to get it clear one so y'all can see what I'm doing. So here I'm grabbing the black African soap bar. I'm gonna cut it into like really small pieces. Now in real life, this took me about like 3 minutes to do. So here's the black African soap shredded, and then there's some water that you have to have, but it has to be like boiling hot water. So I put mine in the microwave for 3 minutes. And now what you're gonna want to do is grab a knife and stir it around so it can all mix in together. And as you can see, it starts dissolving really fast. And then you're going to want to cover it so the heat can get trapped in there so it can melt faster. So once it's all dissolved, you're going to want to stir it up to make sure of it. So I'm just going to put that aside and grab the bottle that I'm going to put it in. I'm gonna use the funnel to make it easier so I don't make any messes. So that's how much shampoo I made, but I'm gonna dump some out because I need to put oil in there, and I'm gonna put a lot of oil. So you kind of want to make sure to be like more shampoo and like good amount of oil, to be honest with you, so it can be moisturizing and not drying, because black African soap is really drying, so that's why you have to put a lot of oil in there. So because of this quarantine, I'm running out of oils and I really can't get them where I want to get them, like the beauty supplies. So in this video you see that I lose a couple of more oils because they're finishing, like the black castor oil, that one's done, and I believe my peppermint in the small bottle is done. So with the oils, I just eyeball how much to use. So the difference between this peppermint oil and the other one, this one is way better and it's stronger and you don't have to use a lot of it. And I also ran out of this one. So, and this one is the most expensive one. I believe it's like 10 something and the other one was like $2. So this is Haitian castor oil. We call this huile masquiti. And this is really strong. It helps my hair grow a lot. This makes your hair feel so soft and hydrated by itself. So here I'm showing you guys how much oil I used. I used about like 5 ounces. I'm showing you where it starts and where it ends. So I decided to use the wild growth oil because in the beginning of the video it wasn't a part of it and the coconut oil was, but I forgot to put the coconut oil. So here I am putting the rest of the black African soap in the bottle. So after doing that, you're going to want to shake it up so the oil and soap can mix together. And this 16-ounce bottle usually lasts me about 3 months because I wash my hair every 2 weeks. So here I'm showing you guys, I actually separated into 2 because the smaller one, the head is actually designed for you to wash with it. And then the big one I'm just going to use to store my shampoo and then put in the smaller one when I need it. So here I just want to show you guys how it lathers up.